Finally, we have a little jump for SMCI. We got a nice jump here at the market open, guys, for SMCI, but the price now is pulling back. We're gonna discuss what's going on. Are we gonna have a major squeeze now because we actually broke the resistance around the 39.34, and we even saw the 39.39? What does that mean, guys? We didn't even test the $40. 1 cent left for the $40. So this is show me that we have an AI and bot trading SMCI right now, guys, prevented the price to go over the $40. We're gonna discuss what's going on, guys. Is that a bot? Is that coincidence or manipulation? And of course, we have some good news regarding SMCI because, as analysts say, SMCI right now, or they said AI revenue now is represent nearly 70% of SuperMicro total sales. So this is you see the shift for SMCI right now, almost 100% regarding AI revenue. So this is good because it's tend to look for the future. We got all the stocks looking for AI and trying to shift everything toward the AI. And of course, SMCI for the fundamental is still looking strong. If you look in the big picture, we still have a huge jump for SMCI in the big picture after the reverse split that we did 10 to 1 back in last year in October. Yes, we pulled back toward the reverse split price around the 50, but we are nearly toward the 50. Today we almost hit the $40. So SMCI is not over yet because it's still near the reverse split price around the $50. So now, guys, we have the $50, as we said, the most important level to hit. But today we hit the 39.99 before the $40. So we have two levels right now. The first one is the $40, and of course the second one is the reverse split price around the $50. This is the psychological level for SMCI for this year to break, to confirm a reversal. So let's dive deeper, guys, and discuss the market, because the market, we have a bit of recovery right now for Tesla, recovering a bit, VGO, Nvidia, after the huge dip that we have yesterday. We have a huge blood for the market. That's why SMCI is going down. It's not going down by itself. The whole market is preparation for tomorrow. I think the CPI and inflation data will be out for tomorrow. This is just anticipation for the market, guys, and the analysts for the inflation. If it's too big and we have a huge inflation sentiment, is me we're gonna have another dip down. So we have to prepare if we have another dip, or if we have another reaction after this news to hit the market for tomorrow or before the end of this week on Friday. We're gonna prepare either to prepare for the dip where the market maker will buy, or for the rep if we broke the current resistance. So hit the like button and the way in, of course, and join us tomorrow. As we said, guys, the live streaming exchange around 2 p.m. CET instead of 3, so just 1 hour earlier if you live in Europe. So tune in for tomorrow live streaming. And of course, why? Because we discuss every stock live once the market open, before the market open by 30 minutes. And of course, before that, guys, on our Discord and Patreon, where we discuss the market. Yesterday, we discussed the reversal for the mini stocks, especially Coinbase around the 176.60. We discussed Tesla reversal from the 212. We discussed Palantir reversal from the 70.77. So we do swing trade to buy the dip and day trade. So the link in the comment section below to our Discord and Patreon if you want to join us. For now, what we should expect for SMCI. Today we have a bit of a grain. We jumped a bit up, almost 7% or almost 10%, but the price pulled back just below the 39.99, guys. This is kind of, if you tell me this is coincidence, I will tell you no. It's kind of the same as probability of Earth being in the perfect Goldilocks zone between us and the sun. The same for SMCI, pulling back right now below the 39.99. Guys, you tell me this coincidence. There is no manipulation here. Let me know in the comment section below, guys. 39.99. We didn't hit the 40. We didn't hit the 39.98 or 90. No, just 1 cent before the $40. So this is the psychological level just around the $40, guys. That's why we didn't hit it. The most important level is still around the 43.60, the resistant, and of course the critical level to break or the reverse split level is the $50. That's why we have the profit taken. It is another resistance, of course, around the 50.65. For now, guys, we have a little support around the 35.45. It's a little support because it's not that strong like the 31.13. But the most important resistance or the strongest one is around the 43.61. For now, we pulling back because the whole market is pulling back. For today, guys, as long as we hold the 35.45, as long as we hold here, this means we're gonna accumulate before retest the 40. Then going to test the 43.60. So this is the level that we should break next time to confirm the reversal. Reversal didn't happen yet for SMCI. If you're wondering right now what's going on with SMCI, SMCI is accumulating. Let me just show you what's going on here. SMCI pulled back from the 65 until the 33. So we pulled back 50%. And of course, now we reverse almost 20%. Now it's just 13%. So now kind of consolidating below the 43. Between the 43 and 35 is still consolidation zone. So even if we pull back, guys, around the 31.13 is still considered as a pullback. If you see in the big picture, guys, we're still in the pullback zone even if we went toward the 31.13. The last dip that we have, the original dip, was around the 16 or the 17 dollar. After that, we have the reversal, big reversal after the good earnings. Then we have another jump. Now we put it back. So SMCI is pretty volatile, guys. After we have a huge reversal from the $17 and then the $50, we reverse or we jumped from the dip almost 182%. Then we dipped again almost 50%. So don't forget this, guys. We already dipped back then from December until the beginning or the end of January, we dipped 50%. So we have the same dip here, guys. Look at this. We have the same dip here happened right now here. So the same reaction, guys. 50% jump here or 50% dip after a huge jump here. The same here. We have a huge jump, almost 200%, then a dip of 50%. The same reaction, guys. Deja vu here. We have the same reaction. Two pump, two dump. And now we have to hold over this area, guys, the 35 and 31, in order to retest the 43.60 and of course confirm the breakout and the reversal. We're gonna discuss this in depth, guys, because we might have the breakout in the pre-market by tomorrow. So join us on Wednesday hunt. Of course, the link comes section below if you want to have early access to our live streaming that we do daily around 12 p.m. CET to discuss SMCI, Palantir, other stocks. We call them unicorn stocks, like penny stocks. We always trade them every day, guys. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comment section below where the price will go from here. Why the price went down below the 39.99. Let me know in the comment section below, guys. Is that coincidence or manipulated? Thank you for watching and see you by tomorrow.